I'm very, very elated to be here today. This information came to me very late, but because of the importance of this gathering, I deemed it inextricable to be here. I want to wholeheartedly thank the organizers of this laudable movement, this organization, Ndinasu, Bia. You see, information we say is power. And when we get it wrong, when people, generations are misinformed, they transfer that misinformation to another generation. And it triggers a lot of issues. Why am I saying this and appreciating this organization? They have called with other organizations, the Igbo organizations, on behalf of the Igbo movement, to extinguish that misinformation that some part of us are Igbo, some part of us are not Igbos. So I want to thank them very well. This movement has a lot to do by informing our people, and they'll keep moving this necessary information from generation to generation so that we all will know our roots. If I want to pick people randomly here, maybe 20 persons, I'll ask them questions. But because of time, I won't do that. I'll just make the question a general question. But if I pick 20 persons randomly, I don't know them, and ask them a question. How do you say call if you're from Anioma or from the east? Anybody from the east? I believe nobody here will say it's not Bia. So what is Bia? It's not an Igbo language. So I feel pain when some persons or some group of people who say Bia, Ndo, they will come and say, I am not an Igbo man or an Igbo woman. Is that not misinformation? Now let me take myself from where I come from. I'm from Obomkpa, the Obi of Obomkpa kingdom. The founder of Obomkpa kingdom today in Anioma North is called Asaba. We refer him as Anaba Ogidi, right from the east. I was also the head of our clan is the chief. How we migrated from Ogidi and spent a lot of years in Benin and became great. But at the end of the day, they were envious of him there. What did he do? He retraced his roots back because there's no place like home. So we must tell ourselves the truth and enlighten those who don't know. Imbibe and instill genuine information in them that will go generational. I am proud to stand here to say I'm a descendant of Anaba Ogidi, and I'm a proud Igbo man.
The Obi of Obomkpa Kingdom thanked and appreciated the organizers of Igbo Conference and encouraged them to keep teaching our people, denying their Igbo identity about themselves, and also to be teaching the upcoming Igbo generations about their roots. May Chukwu bless the Obi of Obomkpa Kingdom for his words of encouragement. What he said is what we are doing. He said that we should be teaching our brothers that are denying their Igbo identity about themselves. And that is why you see us telling our Okpanam, Ika, Oshimina, Danyocha people that we are Igbo people. We are telling our Ikwere brothers, our Oba brothers, our Ekpere brothers, the South Igbos in general, we are telling them that we South Igbos are Igbo people and one people with the Southeast. Even when those our brothers that are suffering from identity crisis are insulting us, calling us names, you people are thieves, you people are land grabbers, leave us alone, expansionists, we not mind their insult. We are still telling them that we all are Igbo people. We have been consistent in this Igbo unification, and we will keep being consistent, and we will make sure that the Igbo race is being united. Talking about the upcoming generation, we are here to teach the upcoming generation in Igbo land that we are Igbo people. We are making them to embrace their roots. We are making them to embrace their brothers. We are making them to know where they belong. The upcoming generation is very important, and that is why we are expected to pass true knowledge to them. The upcoming generation are the leaders of tomorrow. If they don't know about themselves, that means there's trouble in the land. Just imagine now, so many Okpanam people, Eka, Oshimi, and the Igbos in River States, most especially Ikwere people or Baekwe people, they are saying that they are not Igbo people, separating themselves from their roots, separating themselves from where they belong, separating themselves from their brothers in the southeast. With that, they are making themselves a minority. They are making themselves an easy tool for bully. This is why we Igbos are meant to be united. The major reason why the Igbo race is being marginalized in this country till today is because there is no unity. When we talk about unity, we are not saying that we are invading each other, killing each other. No. Unity that we are talking about is that make we dey do things in common as one people. Make we get one voice. And Okpanam people they now, they are a minority because they just identify as Okpanam, saying that they are not one people with the southeast, saying that they are not Igbo people. Okpanam remains Okpanam, but we want Okpanam people to start coexisting with our southeast brothers, to embrace their Igbo identity. That is the piece that we are talking about. Okpanam people to embrace their southeast brothers, to embrace their Igbo identity because they are Igbo people. The same thing with all that South Igbos that are denying their Igbo identity. We are here to teach those that don't know, and we are here to teach the upcoming generation for them to know who they are and where they belong. The Obi of Obomkpa said that we should make sure that this movement continues. Igbo unification movement will remain forever. And when we say remain forever, that is doing everything possible to keep the Igbo race united. Every tribe in this country called Nigeria are doing everything possible to unite, to be one unit. That is what the Igbo unification movement is doing, to make sure that Ndi Igbo are united. If the Igbo race unites today, we will still be doing everything possible to make sure that our unity is secured. The Obi of Obomkpa kingdom said that the founder of his kingdom is called Asaba from Obosi in the southeast. He said that he's a proud Igbo man. This is why I've been telling you people that ignore these enemies that are fighting Igbo unification. You will see so many of them telling you Obomkpa kingdom is from Benin. The founder of Obomkpa is from Benin. He's not an Igbo man. Ezechime is not an Igbo man. This, that. Ignore those people. All these kings know who them be. They know where they belong. See the king of Obomkpa kingdom, they tell us face to face, say the founder of Obomkpa is an Igbo man from Obosi, that they call him Asaba Obosi. Asaba is a Dibia. Ezechime is a Dibia. Both of them are best of friends. You will see so many people telling you Ezechime is not an Igbo man, he's a Benin man. Is Ezechime a Benin? No. We'll be telling them Ezechime is an Igbo man, he's not a Benin man. These people will start lying, saying that Ezechime is not an Igbo, that his name is Ikimi, that his name is this, that his name is that. They will start lying, forming different kinds of lies as the history of Ezechime. And when we call those people Ozwai, you will see so many people telling us, hey, you do the insult people. Why we not go call them Ozwai? Do you know what it means to be lying, deceiving the upcoming generations that trace their lineage to Ezechime, deceiving them, telling them that they are not Igbo people, turning them against their Igbo brothers, and you expect us not to call that person Ozwai? Do you know what it means to lie to an upcoming generation Do you know what it means? Do you know the damage that thing is causing for the Igbo race? Your papa nine born you. People, they tell you, say, no be this man born you. That man is your true father. And when that's your true father, they tell you, say, nine born you. Say, make una coexist as papa and pikin. Even when he never do you bad for once, you no agree. The man go dey come, you go carry police, they arrest him. You go dey carry different people, they go harass him. You go dey do everything possible to keep that man away from you. That is the same thing that these enemies are doing to we Anioma people, turning us against our Southeast brothers. That is why we call them Ozwai. You don't have the right to be fighting people's history just to keep them divided. You don't have the right to be fighting people's history, formulating lies to make sure that you divide these people and take them to be part of you. Just look at how all these Benin people are claiming that they own the entire Ekala, that the Ika people are their descendants. Can you imagine? Spreading false information, deceiving the coming generation. But they will fail because we are here to bust their lies and tell our people where they belong. The Obi of Obomkpa asked the crowd in that conference, what do they call come in their language? They all said Bia. In that hall, Okpanam people were there, Eka people were there, Igbos from Kogi were there, Igbos from Benue were there, the Igbos indigenous in 13 Nigerian states were there. All of them said Bia. He now asked them, who are the people saying Bia in this country? They said Igbo people. Are you people Igbo? They said yes, that they are all Igbos. And you will see some people outside saying, Anioma people are not Igbos, Anioma people are not Igbos, Okpanam is Okpanam, Ika is Ika, Oshimi and Anocha, they are on their own, they are not Igbo people, Ikore people are not Igbo people. People that are saying all these things, they are not even from all these regions, so some of them are from Benin, some of them are from Yoruba. They will be saying that Anioma people are not Igbo people, just to make sure that the Igbo race is being divided. One Yoruba boy on TikTok was saying that Anioma people are not Igbo, and that Anioma will never be Igbo. And you expect me to watch that video and I will not call that boy Ozwai. I made a video and I was calling that boy Ozwai because he's an Ozwai. So no one should come and be telling me, yeah, no, they can't person Ozwai. Just make your points. Make which points? I will continue to be calling them Ozwai. As we know spoil person own, person not will spoil our own. Look at Anioma people saying that they are Igbo people. Who are you to be telling we Anioma people that we are not Igbo people? The Obi of Obomkpa is telling the world that he is an Igbo man. And you go see a non-Igbo, they tell you say Obomkpa is not an Igbo community. Is such a person not an Ozwai? Is that person not an Ozwai? That person is an Ozwai. Igbo unification that we are seeing today is a fight. Not be something just come out. It's not a profit-making organization. It's a fight. It's a movement to liberate the people. So if you are Igbo, support this movement, encourage this movement, join this movement, make sure that we succeed. The Obi of Obomkpa said that Anaba was a friend of Ezechime and that they were both in Benin. Benin people started to feel jealous of them, and Anaba and Ezechime have to leave Benin back to their present location, which is Igbo land. Anaba and Ezechime did reverse migration back to Enuan region of Anioma land. They speak Igbo language till date. And you will see some people online saying that Anaba and Ezechime are not Igbo people. Anaba and Ezechime are great Dibias. Obomkpa community is very good in Dibia. When it comes to medicine, they are very good in it. Traditional medicine, they are very good in it. Obomkpa kingdom have good numbers of great Dibias. They came with that same Igbo language that they were speaking in Benin. When Ezechime and Anaba were in Benin, they were speaking that Igbo language. They have a very big settlement there. When Ezechime and Anaba were coming back, so many Igbo people started settling in Eka. Some of them settled in Okpanam, and so on. They are all called Umu Ezechime because Ezechime was their leader during that migration. Ezechime is an Igbo man. He is not a Benin man. You go see somebody from Benin, they tell you say Ezechime not be Igbo man, say na Benin man. And you expect us to keep quiet. We will never keep quiet. Anioma people are Igbo people. Anioma land is Igbo land. You see, the entire Delta North is Igbo land. Nobody from this Anioma get the right to tell the world say we Anioma people are not Igbos. Even if that person like make it they talk and morning till night. If you talk finish, you go enter house. We Anioma people are Igbo people. No organization in Anioma has the right to tell we Anioma people that we are not Igbo people. If that organization talk finish, may they enter house. We don't speak two languages. Now one language we Anioma people they speak. We have a look me people, Igbo people. That one are their own. We are not talking about them. We are talking about we the Igbo speaking people in Anioma. We speak Igbo language. We not they speak two language. In Okpanam land, we speak Igbo language. What is our Igbo language called? Okpanam. Okpanam is not bilingual. Now one language we they speak Igbo language. Nobody for Okpanam go tell you say, hey, Igbo people invade us, they can't colonize us, they can't force Igbo language give us. Nobody will tell you that thing. How come are you people now saying that you are not Igbo people? You speak Southeast here, Southeast speak you here. How will no content be one people? Eka people speak Southeast here. If Southeast speak, they hear. How are they not one people? We are one people. Not be say the language they speak for Anioma, na colonial language. No, it's our language. Every people that speak the same language are one people. May Chuku bless the Obi of Obomkpa. May Chuku bless every royalty and everyone that attended that conference. May Chuku bless us all. We Anioma people should do well and support Anioma states. Anioma state is for Anioma people. Anioma state is for the entire Igbo race. Anioma state is going to be a Southeast state because we Anioma people are Igbo people and we are expected to be with our Southeast brothers. Remain blessed, my people. Ishiagwale.